Hey beauties, today I'm going to be trimming off all my dead ends. I'm probably going to end up going about this short. That's a lot of dead weight right there, and we're going to take that off. Give me some long layers, maybe some bangs. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of hair and fashion videos, all of which I always keep affordable. So if you're bougie, on a budget like us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I know you're gonna love it here. And let's get started with this haircut. I'm just ready for my ends not to be fried. So I'm gonna start by just shaving off all the dead ends. I'm just using regular hair cutting scissors, and I'm just gonna shave all that off. A little at a time, but I already know that I wanna get rid of all the ends, and I know that I do wanna go about 2 inches shorter. So I do that first, and then I even it out on both sides. So I'm not gonna go too short. Remember, if you're cutting your hair at home, do a little at a time. Look how bad those are. So bad. My goal for 2021 is healthy hair from top to bottom. I asked you guys on Instagram if you thought I could stay away from bleach for a whole year. So far, most of y'all had said no. Which, you know, y'all know me very well. It looks pretty good. Now is when I'm going to combine my hair just right here in the middle. Pull it so it's super straight. Drag my hair down, lift it up, and then I'm gonna cut a straight line. And also I do like to cut my hair dry and just a little styled so that I can see like where it's gonna lay and what it's gonna look like. I'm not a professional, I should tell you guys this. Most of y'all already know, but I am not a professional. I just cut and color my hair at home. I always have. Like ever since I was little, my mom literally would cut my hair at home and cut all my cousins' hair at home. DIY hair, it runs deep. I'm gonna leave it here for now, just because I do wanna do layers and I want extra room to be able to go shorter if I want to. But actually, it's looking a lot healthier and I haven't cut off as much as I thought I was going to. I'm gonna just start on my layers, and what I do for that is I start in the middle, create a V down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Do try to get the sections pretty similar. Now I'm gonna take these shearing scissors, turn my hair this way, and just trim it so that it's even. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, creating a V again. And then I'm gonna line that up with the first layer. Same scissors. When it comes down, it's gonna be angled in a V like this, so it's gonna be face framing. I do that all the way to the crown of my head, all the way down, so that when you go to the front, your hair is already framing your face. And then if I wanna add bangs, I just go shorter. So that's the reason I do the V and pull it forward. I connect this one to the front of my ears. Just take your time if you're new to this, and you always want to make sure to bring those forward. If it's too much hair, like it's starting to be too much hair to cut it all in one, what I do is I take it to the side. You're gonna cut in an angle. Angle your fingers. You should be able to already line it up in an angle from where you've already cut the first 2 layers. You're just gonna even those out. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that is at an angle. If you are doing the opposite of your dominant hand, just take it like this. I may go go shorter with the layers. It's pretty good for now. Now I'm gonna do the back. I sort of do the same thing. I'm gonna section it out and bring it forward. Make sure you're all brushed out. I'm still shaving off the dead ends, so I already know I'm gonna take about 2 to 3 inches. I'm only gonna do 1 inch at a time, just getting all the dead ends off and making that even. I will go back to just perfect some of the layers, but for now, we're getting rid of the dead weight. Okay, and then I don't do the last layer in the back because that is the bottom where we did the first trim. Honestly, this looks like a pretty good hair trim. So you have your top layer, your middle layer around here, here's another one, and then your length. If you want to stop here and you just want long layers, a quick trim, that's an easy at-home way to do it. I do kind of want to go shorter though. Like I have an itch to go shorter right now. So I'm not going to go too short, but I do want to get rid of this as well. I kind of want to go really short so that I can play around with extensions, because I don't really ever play around with extensions, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want to regret it. So now I'm just gonna repeat the process until I get to the desired length. I'm gonna go back on the ends. Now I'm actually gonna use shearing scissors on the bottom as well. And honestly, this haircut, it works on any length of hair. If your hair is too short to bring it together in the front, I just kind of like measure, but I have done this exact same haircut in other videos with my hair longer and my hair shorter, and I always end up just doing the same technique because I know it works. And as I said in my last video, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I need to get one of those stylist aprons so that I'm not constantly like reaching back here in all my videos. How funny would that be? Okay. So you see how that's kind of like choppy where it's short and then there's a long? You want to make sure that you're cutting so it's a nice diagonal cut. Y'all have one side of your head that has less hair than the other, because I feel like this side of my head is so thick and then this side is not as thick. I can always see it whenever I'm doing my hair trim. go a little bit shorter. Just on the ends though. It was so dramatic in my hair dyeing video, like I'm gonna chop off this much. And now I don't want to. I want to, but I don't. Actually, I'm gonna do my bangs first. So I am going side by side, but I'm measuring it at my nose because that's where I want the shortest part of my layer. So then you're gonna just cut downward and you're gonna open and close slightly, not all the way. So I kind of want to blend these and make them shorter. So I pull it straight, start about an inch up, and do the same thing downward. That's hopefully gonna help you melt your layers together so that it's seamless. So right here, I know it's the curl, but this top layer is pretty thick. So I'm gonna cut it shorter to make it more seamless all the way down. Just taking off a little at a time. That's what these shearing scissors are for, or that's what I use them for. So we're just gonna try and melt everything together. And I look for the chunkiest part. So I see this part. Let me style it. Now that I have it styled, I think I'm happy with this cut. I'm happy with the length. I'm happy with the layers and my bangs. I'll show y'all how it looks from the back. Yay! Another successful hair DIY in my own bathroom. I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because I do lots more beauty stuff over there. Makeup Monday, Amazon try-ons, lots of lifestyle stuff. So if you haven't already, oh, here's my broom. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
So if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna sweep up all this hair now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.